We got egg noodles. We got brats. We're also making a nice little garlic butter sauce to go with these brats and egg noodles. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Alright, all the list of the ingredients will be down below. But we got our herb seasoning. We got our egg noodles. We got that from Costco. We went with this red onion. I've had that sitting around for a few weeks now, so let me use this. All right, and we go with some avocado oil. You know, it's a neutral oil with a high burn point. And we're gonna add another layer of flavor. You know, butter. Butter makes everything better. So in with our brats. Now we're just going to be browning these off. So our pan is like a medium heat. Now I want to put them into a scorching pan, and then we'll maybe probably break the casing on the outside. And then, that kind of sucks. They don't look pretty when it happens. All right, so we're gonna give these a nice little flip. Now this has probably been going about 3 minutes, 4 minutes already. Before we flipped them. We're gonna give these a flip and let them go another 3-4 minutes on this side. So we got our oven set to 375 degrees. So it's been preheating. And then, pan looked a little dry for me because we were gonna kind of steam these off in the oven. So in with some more butter. Guys, this is a real easy one. This is another quick meal for when you come home. Just throw these brats. You can use sausages, sweet sausages, Italian sausages. They're all the same. And then in with about a half a cup of water, a little bit of water. And we're gonna steam these off, 375 for about 15 minutes. So now our egg noodles are going, and now we're gonna work on our sauce. So with a cold pan. The pan is cold. Well, I'm just starting to heat it up. And we're gonna bring this all up to temp together and just let them come together. Let it marinate. And with some of the garlic herb seasoning. Not too much. We really want the garlic to be the forward flavor. And then I get that butter in the background. All right, so that's been going about, about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then I decided to throw a little bit of chicken stock. Not too much, just a little bit. So we're just gonna let that simmer for, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So our garlic butter sauce is done. Our brats are done. They look good. Throw that in a bun and with some mustard, I'm good. All right, so let's plate this up. All right, in with it go with our egg noodles. A little bit of parsley for color. Why not? And then in with some of our garlic butter sauce. I guess you don't have to do this if you don't want to be a little bit more healthy. But this is a quick hitter. This is a 30-minute meal. Come home, throw in some sausages, egg noodles. We got a quick, easy meal. Doesn't get easier than this. Doesn't have to be complicated every night. Could be lunch. Throw in with some parsley for our picture. A little bit of onions. Now a little flyover. Guys, this is good. This is really good. If you like brats, you like sausages, this is a good way to go. And that garlic butter sauce, everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at these other videos and let's get cooking.